Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Edu Talk. Today we have two guests very popular in our campus, Hafiz and Alif. How about your days?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well today because I woke up early and going to the class just like every day my routine. And then I'm excited. I feel excited to come to this podcast because I know that the topic today is about the AI revolution for student.
Right?
I'm feeling great today because last night my football club win.
What football club?
Portugal.
Oh.
Cristiano Ronaldo scored a brace hat-trick, I'm excited too for this podcast because the topic is about AI that every student is experiencing using it for assignment or doing tasks.
That's true. Our topic is the AI revolution, classroom alive, or academic threat.
In other words, the classroom ally stand for how we can use AI to learn better, and the academic threat is stand for is there a problem if we use AI wrong way.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think it's very interesting lah to discuss about this topic. Like I just said before this, the student use it every day for their daily life and for their assignment and everything. So this topic very for student very need to watch our podcast.
Yeah.
So, to student, stay tuned because we want to share about their opinion about AI for your assignment or tips for use AI better.
Yes.
Golden fires.
Let's begin with a basic questions. Alif, what is AI?
Sure. AI or artificial intelligence that refers to technology like computers or machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, in traditional way, as a student, we need to if we want to find information or to solve our problem, we need to go to library to find information and everything. But right now in this era, we just need to use AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or anything AI app to find information faster way.
So when students use ChatGPT or Gemini, they actually use AI.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Quite interesting because AI can answer our question immediately and instantly. For example, AI can summarize our notes, article, and give our lesson plans.
I remember first time I used AI, I get so quick response from AI.
Yes. Ni before I forget, I have one information more. About one fun fact about AI right now. AI, artificial intelligence right now can generate image or videos that we before this we need to edit manual at the CapCut or anything editing apps. But right now we just need to put the prompt that we want about the video and generate them, and the video is ready for us.
So, if student use AI, they can.
Yes.
Yes.
They-
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can. But the image AI generate is sometimes it was for wrong intention lah.
Wrong expected. Just
Sometimes it help us very good for our presentation or whatever. When we chat with AI, it's likely like we chat with someone because AI can answer our question fastly and
Fast reply.
about many things lah. About we confess our
Feelings.
feeling, they can reply too.
And they just not reply it, but they just
They give opinion
give
too.
opinion and
Oh,
give can solve our problem.
so AI is very helping for student lah.
Yes, very
In many ways.
Why do you think student interest using AI?
First of all, student biggest reason for using AI is very convenient.
Can you explain?
Let's say if we don't understand about some topics, we can ask AI. Then AI will help us about the topic and give notes and example of question for us to answer it for our understanding.
I agree. I agree because and another reason student like us using AI because we feel more comfortable to asking AI a question repeatedly. If and based on my experience, AI never get mad at me if I am asking them a question, same question repeatedly like 2-3 times. They not get mad at me, but they explain it more deeply for me.
Sometimes student also can feel shy to ask this question to lecturer or everyone else lah. But with AI, they have more confidence because no one have to judge them.
Yes.
And AI won't be annoyed, right? Annoyed. Annoyed.
Yes, I agree.
Good pronunciation.
AI also available for us for 24 hours a day. It can answer our question every time, anywhere.
Anytime.
That's why the biggest reason is convenience because students use AI anytime.
So you guys are very expert in AI.
Not really, but okay lah.
Well known lah.
Let's focus with positive side first. How AI help student in education?
The first advantage of using AI is faster access to information.
I don't understand what you thought. Can you explain?
Yes, can. Students can quickly find information. Like I just said before this statement, can quickly find information at any time and anywhere, and it is very very
Convenient, like I said.
convenience, like he just said, and the student don't need to spending hours to in front of laptop to searching research and anything. They just need to typing and put a prompt for AI, and AI solve the problem and give opinion and solving our problem, and that was very the first advantage and the good advantage for student of using AI.
And other than that, AI benefit is for personalized learning.
What do you mean by that?
Different students have different style of studying, and some understand quickly, some cannot understand quickly. So they need more time to search for other information to help their understanding, so they use AI to make their notes or everything like that lah, for them to understand more for their information needs.
How about teachers?
Teachers also get the benefit as well, because teachers can make some quizzes for student using AI and have the learning plans for tomorrow or other days.
And one more hot take is
Yes.
one more hot take and fun fact is AI can help us to help us on writing skills, and if we in a writing skill, for example, if we need to
That if we have finished our
assignment, writing,
AI can check our grammar
yes,
as well.
and we recheck our
Grammar.
writing and refer the AI where the mistakes that we can
We can find it.
and
So your means is AI helps students to get
Information and recheck our
Yes,
answer.
yes.
But it on us if we use AI responsibility on us to using AI the right way.
yes.
If we use the wrong way, we just prompt an AI and have a
Copy and paste.
copy and paste writing.
So if we want to use AI, we must give a correct prompt to AI
And use it a good way lah.
or understand it.
We cannot ask AI to do our assignment. AI is to help us doing our assignment, not replace us. You know,
We need to use our
brain as
brain.
well.
So AI help us to finish our assignment with a best score.
Yes.
Yes.
So now let's talk about our experience using AI.
Alif first lah. Alif first.
I first ah. Okay. I first. Based on my experience, I'm using it for my daily life lah. I'm not too much AI on my assignment because I do my assignment by myself. Not no need to no need help from AI. And I using AI for like ni
Like what?
like if I don't know about the Canva or Microsoft Word or PowerPoint when I want to do my slide, I refer to AI to solve my problem. Like before this, I'm asking AI about Microsoft Word, about the break page and about the header and footer, because student, I think that is the basic knowledge for student for Microsoft Word, but
You don't know ah.
I don't know about it. So I'm asking, and it just they just not solve my problem, but they give a little tips for me to use it quite a good way.
So AI can help us to use another app.
Yes.
First thing,
For me lah, first AI helped me so many things. So
Like so many
so many, but no one knows. But us,
Yeah,
I
privacy. That was advantage for using AI.
no one can judge me. Just me, no. Just me,
Just me,
no.
just me.
So for me,
What is your experience?
Wait a minute. My experience is when our lecturer give the notes in the Google Classroom. I think the notes is very useful, but it does not have the question. For me to understand the some topic, I need to answer question about the topic. So I give the notes to AI, and AI give the example question for me to answer. This help me to understand more about the topic, and we can score in the exam. Like last semester for my exam lah, BM kesantunan sejarah dan kesusastraan berbahasa, right?
Yes.
It helps me a lot lah. And this semester my subject is GEC. For me, that I'm not good at English, it very helpful lah for me because AI can translate for me if I do not understand about the topic and about the words. AI helps me more about the vocab for a new words lah.
So for me, sometimes I using AI ni, but I using AI for get some idea to create better content for get more view in our YouTube, because in podcast we can share about our experience, our knowledge for to viewer.
And I hope this podcast
Will grow more, right?
will grow more and successful just like you want.
One day you successful, come invite us.
Invite us again.
I will invite you. Okay.
InsyaAllah.
So, so now we discuss about negative side using AI. Can you give some?
Okay.
One of the point is the biggest concern lah, right? About the disadvantage of using AI is the over dependence of student on AI. Student use AI to submit their assignment without checking and re-edit it. So the assignment does not have quality because it's fully from AI, not from the brain and not from the help of AI, but the AI replace the student for the assignment.
So how about you? Alif?
I agree. Sometimes students may accept AI generate, just accept the AI generate, and not like have you said, just students don't check whether they are accurate or not.
Because AI can make mistakes too, right?
Yes.
Other than that, it's about plagiarism issues. Do you know that?
Yes, plagiarism. If I'm not mistaken, plagiarism is
What is?
You use other article without
you take the article, take another person article without their credit or reference. Just take the statement, like for example, I say I want to eat, for the example, and that was my statement, but Hafif take my statement without put my name on the statement and give credit to me. He just take my statement
Okay, go on.
He just take my statement and use it everywhere.
Oh, I
So,
see.
if you guys take some statement in another article, you just copy and paste. That can drop your result out.
Yes.
Your lecturer can detect you guys copy and paste.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the Turnitin apps
Website.
website, right?
Website.
Can check our plagiarism. If they are high in percentage, it means the plagiarism is high.
You guys use online, right? Use soft copy another apps to submit your assignment.
Yes.
Before this my study era, I write assignment by hand, so I give my assignment to lecturer hard copy lah.
Oh, I see. AI, if you use AI the wrong way, we can make our brain slow, you know,
Yes.
about the problem solving and the writing skill and so many, right?
When we get posting, we cannot perform our teaching at the school because because when we study we use AI.
So I give some negative side for student.
If we use the wrong way.
Yes.
Okay. So can we move to the next topic?
What topic?
Because I want to get ready first. Can?
Can you guys can.
Give me so.
So thirsty.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
Enjoy. I buy for you guys.
Okay, thank you.
So now I have one question for you guys. How do you see AI influencing
Education.
education for the future?
I believe that AI will become part of learning and teaching on the future.
I agree. Future classroom will integrate AI tools in the classroom lah.
So, do you think AI can replace teachers?
No. I don't agree that.
Why?
Because in my opinion, teachers not just give information for their pupils, but teachers just create their character and create their motivation on study. AI cannot do that. AI just give information if we want the information, if we ask them. But if we not ask them, they not give it.
They don't give any.
So,
I agree with you.
Yes.
So-
Teacher also give us emotional support
Yes.
and teach us how to teach us about human interaction.
Because human have feelings.
Yes.
So,
AI do not have feeling, you know.
So AI and teachers student must use AI and give some respect for to teachers to balance it.
Yes.
Oh, I understand now. So you guys have some advice for student or for new generation?
For me, for students and out there, use AI in a good way. Don't make AI replace you, because AI not a student. AI just a machine that solve your problem and help you on study, not be students and replace you. And
Yes, I agree.
So can we end our discussion here?
Let's go to the conclusion.
so you can
So before we end our podcast, let's hear about our final talk from Hafiz and Alifuddin?
Yes. For me, AI is powerful tools. It can help you. It can solve your problem. It can give you more ideas. It have many benefits. But student need to use it responsibly and ethically.
I believe AI neither completely good or bad, but it depends on how we use it wisely.
Do you agree with us?
Yes, I agree with you because uh, AI should be a learning assistant for student. Do you have some idea to talk for
Yes.
student? More.
You.
Technology will continue to evolve. So we need to learn more about the technology because on the future era and
We will use more AI tools,
we
right?
will use and maybe have a new tools for
Tools? Okay. For me, as future teachers,
yes.
we need to guide our pupils to use AI the correct way, so that they not use the wrong way.
So that's all.
That's all from
That's
us.
for us.
So for student, you guys do not
Rely.
Rely.
So for student, you guys do not rely AI
Fully.
to fully to finish your task. Okay. So that's all from us. See you in the next content. Bye.
Mwah.